Hello and welcome to the day ahead on this Thursday, the 19th of January. I'm Nadine Blaney. Well, profit-taking took hold of Wall Street overnight, with stocks extending their falls as the day wore on. The benchmark S&P and the blue-chip Dow posted their second straight day of losses, while the Nasdaq snapped a 7-day winning streak, finishing 1.25% lower. All S&P 500 sectors ended lower. Consumer staples was the weakest group. IBM was down after Morgan Stanley downgraded the company's shares to equal weight from overweight, shedding 3.3%. Early gainers Microsoft and Tesla erased gains by late afternoon trading. Microsoft down a further 1.9%, Tesla off by 2%. Moderna, though, rose after reporting data which demonstrated the effectiveness of its RSV vaccine. Now, the falls for the indexes came off the back of weak U.S. data and still tough talk from FOMC members. U.S. retail sales and producer prices fell more than estimated in December, even excluding volatile car and petrol sales. In fact, retail sales posted their biggest drop in 12 months. Production at U.S. factories fell more than expected in December, and output in the prior month was weaker than previously thought as well. And the New York Fed Services Business Activity Survey continued to decrease to low levels in January. The FOMC's Beige Book was downbeat about U.S. economic conditions, with economic activity relatively unchanged, and it said that little growth is expected in the months ahead. Even in the face of weak data, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard and Cleveland Fed President Loretta Mester stressed the need to raise rates beyond 5% to bring inflation to heel. Bullard saying, "Why not go where we're supposed to go? Why stall?" The U.S. dollar rallied, except against the Japanese yen overnight after the BOJ failed to move on yield curve control yesterday. Yields on government bonds decreased now, especially in the United States. To U.S. earnings, and Charles Schwab's fourth quarter earnings missed expectations. Adjusted quarterly earnings per share came in at $1.07. Revenue for the quarter was $5.5 billion, missing analysts' expectations by $60 million. And this is despite revenue rising 17% year on year. Looking ahead to the U.S. earnings still expected tonight in Procter & Gamble, Netflix, Trust Financial Corp, and Atlassian is all expected to report. So today we will be watching the gold miners here, with the gold price falling. Bitcoin did slip on recession worries. Oil also shed ground. So those are a few of the sectors that we will be watching with much interest, as the local share market is expected to open lower by about 25 points, or 0.34%. 7,314 is the number we'll be looking for. Well, that does it for the day ahead. I'm Nadine Blaney. We'll see you tomorrow.